Cooking with joy, cooking like ties. We're cooking with joy. Okay, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Chai. This morning we're going to be making Masaman Curry. First, what are you doing here, Chai? You brown the meat, beef, just oil and beef.
Made from beef, hot beef.
So
the first time for here.
Okay, that's coconut cream first, and then the coconut milk will go in second. But no water in the meat until it gets very, very soft and tender. Then we'll have peanuts, and this is a red curry paste that he got at market for Masaman Curry. Now that the meat has had a chance to cook down and get real tender, we got the coconut cream going in. In Thailand there's various versions of coconut juice. There's coconut water, which is from the center of the coconut. And what he's added is what we call coconut cream. They call it coconut oil. It's not really what we would call coconut oil. It's a heavy cream. You boil the cream, Chai?
Huh?
You bring to boil?
Yeah.
Next we'll add the red chili, Masaman Curry. It's a red curry paste, garlic, ginger, pet mai?
My pet.
My pet. So it's not very spicy, but we'll find that out. Just a little bit of salt. Well, the Masaman Curry is not too spicy. It's a good opportunity to make mention of our sponsor. This cooking show is brought to you by Chris's fucking hot sauce. Guaranteed to make any meal hotter. We have the potatoes are ready to go. We've left some of the skins on and some of the skins off. Chai likes them without the skin. Mama likes them with the skin. They're new potatoes, so it shouldn't hurt anything. Have it on there. Now a lot of you think that coconut milk should only simmer. Not here. Boil the heck out of it. It cooks it down. And I had heard about scalding the milk, but it doesn't seem to do so. It just cooks down into a thick paste. So now that the oil is about a 1/2 reduction. We'll do the coconut, what we call coconut milk. Everything is sold in the plastic bags with the little rubber bands around it in the market here.
Okay.
And manfarang, potato. Peanut.ภาษา Thai, play what?
ถั่วลิสง
Again?
ถั่วลิสง
Tua li song. Oh, Oh, it's looking good, Chai. Smells good too.
I know make one more time. First time for me. แต่ผัดต้มมัสมั่นฟัด one more time for me. With the soup, okay.
All right. The Renai Japanese picnic grill. These are the #1 grills in Japan. I'd also like to have one. Lots of BTUs out of that. Propane tank. But Papa Chai has left the pot just to boil away like this. He hasn't stirred it or anything. He's sitting in the kitchen reading the newspaper now. Okay, after boiling for about a half an hour, we've turned the fire off and let the masaman sit covered for maybe another half an hour, 45 minutes. And now it's time to heat it one more time to get it hot and to meld all those flavors together. And we'll just let that cook for a little bit. And we're ready to serve. Rice first.
Really crazy. She's really gonna fuck with me.
Can you load me up?
Yeah. Push it a little closer.
Give me some juice. Good. And there it is. Masaman Curry. Alrighty.
Yep, water out. I put a soft.
He cooked it over the flame with no water.
Yeah.
You talk for me.
Okay, Kauchai. I was just, Sam was watching and I was, yeah, okay. So then after you cook the beef, then what?
Yeah, beef. Cook the beef alone, no water.
So you have to
Water,
stir.
yeah, water beef because get out it cook. Beef soft. After #1 oil and chili. After food, you go mantalang and peanut. And peanut, same musate.
Right. So it's not very hard to
Next
make?
time I talk. Next time you want it, I make. I know
Yeah,
that.
okay,
I know that.
okay.